Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Citi AAdvantage card account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with your Citi AAdvantage card account, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the official Citi website URL in the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign on option, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign on button to proceed to the login page. Enter your user ID in the first field. In the next field, input your password. Before clicking the sign on button, ensure that both entries are correct. If you're a first-time user or have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your information or to set up your account for the first time. Once you successfully log in, you will be directed to your Citi AAdvantage account dashboard. Here, you can view your account details, check your balance, and access rewards information. If you encounter any issues while logging in, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. You can also try using a different web browser or device if problems persist. For extra security, consider enabling two-step verification in your account settings. This adds an additional layer of protection to your account. Now you're all set to manage your Citi AAdvantage account effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.